Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Tooltip Tuesday. In today's episode, I want to show you a new feature that's been added to our blank editor, in where we can overlay a tool profile or a tool section to ensure that the blank that we are creating or grinding fits in the profile of the tool. So I've created a blank already here that I think is what we will use for our tool, and it's inside Step Editor. This is the profile I want to grind. So in the past it was trial and error to make sure that the blank fitted in the profile, but what we can do now is go up to our blank editor, have a look at the custom blank that we have, and go up to the View tab and come down, and the tool profile has been added in update 136 in Toolroom, and if we select that, it overlays the tool profile that we're going to grind, so we can compare the blank versus the tool profile to make sure we have enough material to eliminate or to grind. And on this occasion I can see there's a little bit less material on the left hand side versus the right hand side, so we can afford to change our blank if we need to. So we can go in, change our blank to maybe a 10mm diameter, and we can see we bring the profile down. We're still within the boundaries of our finished profile, and then we should be good to grind our tool. So it's just an easy way to see other tool sections or profile that fit within the boundaries of the blank, just making things a little bit smoother and cleaner when we're grinding our tool. So thanks everybody for joining. If there's any comments or you would like to see something, please add them to the comments, and we'll see you next time on Tooltip Tuesday.